Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What's up, guys? Go Cardo, go back again. I don't know if you watched it, but we did install the strut brace. It's time to go for a drive. Let's figure out if the strut brace actually works. Let's see if it actually stiffens up the ride, makes it a lot more sturdier. Stay tuned. Oh boy. All right, guys, so I'm taking the Angel out for a drive. In front of me got a supercharged Audi, Naruto themed Lambo. Behind me I got a BMW M3, several BMW M4s in front of me. We're out for a little cruise to Lex Exotics for a car meet. Thought it'd be the perfect time to go ahead and test out how this drives. All right, guys, so I'm driving the Dodge Charger Angel. I'm kind of on a straightaway right now, and so far the turns that I've taken is kind of noticeable. It's not bad. So we're coming up on some turns. Got a couple of Corvettes up there. You hear the pops from the Lambo. Pretty cool. So far, I feel like this car does have some stiffness, a little more stiffness. It's not extremely different, but it's noticeable. Definitely noticeable. I like it. I definitely like how it drives. Drives pretty stiff. Couple of pops. Taking a turn here shortly, or some turns. So it should be interesting. Gotta make sure the roads are good and not questionable. You see how close we are today? Oh man. Definitely an interesting drive, I'll say that. I'm from Brooklyn, New York, guys, and I've been living in beautiful, scenic Kentucky for quite some time. I'm still not used to the back roads, but these guys are showing me what's what, you know. They like doing this, so I'm rocking with them, and had to get the Dodge Charger Angel here ready for this. But it's definitely noticeable. I like it. Definitely stiffer. Even though we're just kind of cruising. Definitely noticeable. I like it. I definitely like it, guys. Woo, couple of potholes. Gotta watch out for those. Those are butt clinchers, as they say. If you like what I do, make sure you like, subscribe. Ooh, big hit, big hit. Hear the Angel bottoming out back there. It's all good. I will say though, it's a beautiful drive. You see a lot of countryside. All right, go ahead then. My turn. Love it. Love it. I know I'm throwing you guys around, but rock with me though. Got a lot of torque, guys. A lot of torque throwing this big mama around. Throwing it around. It's fun though. See some of the cars there. A couple behind me, BMW and something. I forget what. But I will say the strut brace so far, well worth it. Absolutely. It does give it some stiffness when you're driving. Kind of like, it's a little more than when I put it in sport mode. It stiffens the steering up a little bit, or track mode rather. Yeah, I was moving side to side back there. Don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's sturdy, it's planted. That's what I wanted. I wanted this Dodge Charger Angel. I wanted this 6.4 to be planted, well planted for cruises like this, and it definitely did not disappoint. So if you see my last video of the install of the strut brace, definitely get it. Definitely get it. There's different ones out there, so you don't have to get the one I got. There's the Mopar brand, but again, I got one that's a good price, and it definitely works. It does this job, albeit if you don't want it to be black. Black is cool on there. But if you don't want it to be black, go ahead and paint it. I showed you how to paint it briefly, or get someone to paint it if you want to get it a different color. Colors can change, guys. You can change the color of most things, even the cars. When you people out there that are like-minded like you, or at places where you want to be, or you can inspire other people to be at places you are. But always remember, stay humble, pray to God, lift everyone up around you. That's what we do. That's what I love doing. That's why I like you guys following me, rocking with me. Follow my motivational page, Go Motivation. I'll put the link down in the description. There's a Ferrari up there also. Legendary. What better way to test the strut brace than to go on a cruise, guys? Back roads at that. And who said that the Dodge Charger can't go on back roads? They need to go talk to their mora. Nah, I'm joking, guys, but seriously, the Dodge Charger can definitely handle curves, bends. It's proof. This is proof. We're cruising. I've taken a lot, what's the word? Harsher back road cruises. Definitely spirited drives with much more powerful cars. Taking this Dodge Charger, my wife can attest, it can definitely handle, definitely hold its own. A lot of other people are impressed what it can do and how it sounds. Sounds great. Let me roll these windows down just a little bit. Hearing this thing scream is amazing, guys. I love it. Hearing these other cars scream and pop, bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. You know, doing all that. It's definitely legendary, guys. Cool houses being built. Make sure you guys subscribe. Comment down below. What are your thoughts? Just let me know as I cruise with you guys. Just pretend you're in the passenger seat instead of my food. You know, it's all good. It's all love. It's all love. You're right here with me. You guys are right here rocking with me. That's me. Oh yeah. Love this thing. I love driving this thing, man. You hear it, Just itching to get loose. Itching to get loose. Yeah, up there getting some video or something. Oh yeah. No law breaking, nothing crazy. We just cruising, guys. That's what it's about. The car community. You know, forget all the haters that are out there who just want to bring everyone down and just talk trash about everyone. They're dealing with something inside of them, you know, and they want to just throw it out there on the internet and act like, oh, it's just a joke. You can't take a joke. No, brother. That's not what it is. Deal with whatever you're dealing with. You ain't got to put it on everyone else and act like everyone else is the problem. We know who you are. We see what it is. Just rock, man. You're in a car community. Just be cool. That's all. That's all. Oh, yeah. Get your photos, Chase. All right, guys, we're back in the garage. I know I was supposed to show you guys Lex Exotics. That was a fun night. I'll show some photos at the end of this video showing you what the night looked like and everything like that. Nonetheless, the strut brace was amazing. I do notice a good difference. It wasn't like an extreme difference, like putting it in track mode, but it was definitely a difference with how sturdy it was on the twist and turn. As you've seen, I love it. It's great. Again, link in the description. So I showed the install, and I showed you guys how it actually drives. Make sure you like, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me if it was a good buy, if it was a bad buy. But let me know in the comments below for sure. This is Go Cardo Go. We out. Till next time.